Hi there, this is Kate Borland, and this is the first in a series of 3 videos that's going to walk you through how to set up your WordPress site to start selling things. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing a plugin called Woocommerce, which is the largest, most common e-commerce plugin for WordPress. And I'm going to walk you through exactly the overview of the 3 main components of Woocommerce, starting with installing it. So what we have right here is a WordPress installation. The site is already there. The site is already live. And what I want to be able to do is install WooCommerce so that I can start selling some courses and some things like that from this particular website. So what I'm going to do, first of all, let's take a look at the pages that are already installed. And this is important because WooCommerce is going to, you'll understand this as we go through the setup and installation process, but right now I have 8 published pages, and none of them are stores or anything like that. It's just basically the standard pages, a home page, some downloads and some sales pages and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plugins, I'm going to click add new, and then within the plugin directory I'm going to search for WooCommerce. You're just going to type that in right there, and it came up here, Woocommerce, and then you click return, and that's going to bring up a list of WooCommerce plugins. Now when you do this, you're going to come up with a lot of different plugins, and so it's really important to understand which is the correct one. There is the German version, then there's also a whole bunch of add-ons and things like that, and you don't need to worry about any of that. What you're looking for is the one with the little elephant here, Woocommerce Excelling E-commerce by WooThemes, and you're going to install that. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to install this plugin? The answer is okay. And as it's installing, there's a couple of things that are going to happen. First of all, now it's coming up, it's asking us to activate, so we're going to go ahead and activate the plugin. And then it's also, now what's happened is that we have over here, we now have WooCommerce and we have products. And we're going to be going through the WooCommerce setup in the next video, but what happens when you install and activate the plugin, you on your side menu, you see WooCommerce and then you see products, and this is where you're going to actually set up your store, is through these 2 menu items here. But there is something else that's going to happen is you're almost ready. There's this little welcome to WooCommerce. You're almost ready to start selling. Install WooCommerce pages. So remember, when I went over here to all pages, I only had 8 pages installed. What this install WooCommerce pages does is it gives you your sales process. So it sets up for you a store page, it sets up for you a shopping cart page, and all of the things that you need to do, or that your users or your purchasers will go through as they buy things from your store. So you do want to go ahead and click install pages. You don't have to do this. You can set up your own if you want. However, I'm assuming that you are new to e-commerce, and so for a beginner user, just go ahead and install those pages. And let's take a look then and see what happens after you install the pages. So here we are at the WooCommerce menu. There's a whole bunch of information and instructions. What we're going to do here is I want to go over to pages, and I want you to show you what has happened. So remember, in the beginning of the video, I showed you that we only had 8 pages installed. We now have, this is my internet, we now have 12 pages installed. So what it has done, WooCommerce installed a shop page, a thank you page, it installed a cart, and a checkout. So we have a complete system now in place whereby we're able to start adding our products and setting ourselves up so that we're able to start taking payments. So this is the end of this video. If you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below, or email me. Now also in the comment section there is a link to an Excel spreadsheet that is a step-by-step guide that will walk you through all of some additional training videos that you need, because the purpose of these videos is really an overview of setting up e-commerce, what is WooCommerce and how to use it, is not going to really go into the nitty-gritty details, but I have outlined step by step for you exactly what you need to do across every step of the way as you're setting up your store. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will catch you in the next video.